This is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today I am bringing you a sponsored video from Freesoo. Now, Freesoo actually sent me this really cool keyboard, and it is a foldable keyboard for your smartphone, tablet, or even Windows or iOS device. But the whole part about it is that it's really nice because it's foldable, it's on the go, and it has a lot of really nice keys. And the part in the middle actually works as your stand for your phone. So really nice and simple. If you ever want to go on the go, say you want to go to some place like a Starbucks or anything along those lines, it really is a great way to kind of type bigger documents on the go, just by being able to mount your phone as so, and then being able to type. Just simple, easy, really nice. And with this, it's a really great way to be able to do this at something like a Starbucks, or if you go to a hotel. There's lots of times when I need to type up a document and it's just better to have a full keyboard or a professional email. You know, if it's something like along the lines of a notice to perform in real estate, well, I want to make sure I type that out correctly, and it's much more formal to do it on a keyboard than it is on a virtual keyboard. So it's also very simple and easy to pack up to go. You just really fold it up, go right here, have it in a square, and that's it. Simple and easy to go. Overall, I think this is something for a lot of travelers. If you need to type up something on the go and you are in a field of business like myself, where this is beneficial for you, then I think this is something you should definitely take a look at. Not only that, but why don't I give one away? Yes, if you have been following our monthly giveaways, we are going to be giving one of these away at the end of February. Links in the description down for that, for the giveaway itself, and links for this product as well in the description. So definitely check out Freesoo. Basically, they do a lot of really cool products in mobile and in car stuff, actually. So I might have to check out some more of their products. They even have some really cool stuff like espresso makers, which, if you know me and my love of coffee, might be something I might look into. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Do you guys think that a portable keyboard on the go is really something useful? Do you like having a full keyboard? I myself like having more of a full keyboard than a little small one like a BlackBerry style. I prefer this. Let me know what you prefer in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.